Can structural damage be repaired? Have you ever wondered if a car with structural damage can be brought back to life? The answer is yes, but it really depends on how bad the damage is and whether fixing it makes financial sense. Structural damage refers to harm done to the vehicle's frame or unibody, which is the essential structure that supports the car. Most modern vehicles use a unibody design, meaning the frame and body are one piece. This makes repairs a bit tricky and often requires special tools and trained professionals. When structural damage happens, the first step is for the insurance company to evaluate how serious the damage is and estimate the costs to repair it. If the total cost of repairs plus the vehicle's salvage value exceeds its fair market value, the insurance company may decide to declare the vehicle a total loss. This decision takes into account safety, repair costs, and the overall value of the car. If the damage is repairable, it must be handled by a collision repair shop that has the right technology and skilled technicians. The repair process usually starts with disassembling parts of the car to check for any hidden damage. After that, structural repairs are made to restore the frame's strength. Bodywork follows to fix any dents or scratches, and finally, the vehicle is painted and refinished. Depending on the situation, some parts may be repaired, while others might need to be replaced to ensure the car is safe and durable. Insurance policies generally cover structural repairs if the damage is due to events like accidents, vandalism, or severe weather. However, the specifics of coverage can vary based on the individual policy. In short, structural damage can often be repaired if it is not too severe, and the cost of repairs is reasonable compared to the vehicle's value. Insurance companies play a vital role in deciding if repairs are feasible by assessing the damage and estimating repair costs. Vehicle owners should always seek repair estimates from qualified shops and consider getting a second opinion if the insurance company suggests declaring the vehicle a total loss. This way, they can ensure that any repairs done are safe and effective.